Okay, so welcome everyone. Welcome to the practice interview questions on OOPS. So today we are here to discuss an important concept in OOPS Java, that is abstraction. So here we have interview questions. Okay, so statement is like we are going to create abstract class here like animals, and then we have two subclasses. Means we are just inheriting the properties that particular abstract class animal in dog and cat categories, and we will explain. I just try to explain you what is abstraction and how these two abstract classes, which is basically driven from the animal class, how we are defining the method here. Okay, so let us start. So I think you already know the abstraction definition. Abstraction means you are hiding some, which is unnecessary functionality. Like if you are driving a car, you only bother about the accelerator, the wheel, not wheel exactly, the accelerator, the brakes, the clutch. You don't need to bother about how the engine is working. So abstraction means you are focusing more on the important tasks and hiding the rest part of it, functionality. Okay, so that is what abstraction, and that concept we are driving in OOPS Java concept with the help of classes, and we will definitely using inheritance property also, and that's the way we are using in abstraction in Java. So here is an example we have, that is abstraction class. We have abstract class animal, and as you can see there is a method that is make sound here, which have a keyword abstract. So if you have abstract class, definitely you have abstract method, which will be you can identify with the keyword abstract. It means this method doesn't have any body. So this method is bodiless. As you can see, here is a parenthesis and a semicolon. So that means if we have abstract method, we only have the declaration of that particular method. We don't have the definition. Definition means we don't have the body of that method. So that's called abstract class, where we have only the method with without body. Okay, we are only declaring the method. We do not defining the method. So as you can see, defining is not there, not body is not here. Only we have a keyword abstract, which means this method is bodiless, and we are only declaring that method, not defining the method. Okay, next slide. So we have two classes, that is dog and cat, which we have inherit from the animal class. Okay, and we know already that extends is a keyword to inherit the property of your superclass or parent class. So now here we have animal as a superclass, or you can say a parent class, and these two dog and cat is splitting here like subclasses or child classes. Okay. So now this is now it's turn to define that method. Okay, make sound. As you can see in the previous slide, we only have the abstract method make sound. We know defining it. What is the functionality of that method? Okay. Now it's turn. It's time to define the functionality of make sound. So in different classes, as you can see, dog and cat are different classes, subclasses of this animal class. We are defining, we are changing the definition of make sound. Here in class dog, we have make sound method with different definition. Like as you can see here, the output will be dog barks. Okay, and in second category of class, that is class cat, we have different definition of make sound. So we are overriding. We are using the same method which will be available, which was available in our animal superclass. We are defining it again. We are overriding this method here in dog class as well as in cat class. Okay, so that definition is there. This is different, although, but we are defining in subclasses, not the abstract class. Okay. Next slide. So this is our main method. We are defining the class test abstraction, and we have a main method here. And we are creating two objects, one for dog class and second one for cat class. Even though the reference variable is same, because this is our parent class animal. We can create, we are creating the reference A1 and A2 using that particular parent class, even though we are creating different objects for different subclasses. Okay. Now this is the way we are calling the methods of different subclasses. A1 for dog class and A2 for cat class. So we are making, we are calling two different methods of two different, even though the name is same, but definition in different classes are different. Okay. So output will be different because we are defining in dog subclass make sound like dog barks, and in cat subclass we are defining this make sound method cat meows. So if you run that method, run that code, you will get the output like this. So output will be dog barks, cat meow. Okay. So I think in a simple way I just make you all understand what is the concept of abstraction in OOPS Java. Okay. Thank you very much.